Hey guys, this is Kayla with Puro 3, and today I want to talk to you about our tooth and gum support oils. This formula is great for helping to improve the overall health of your mouth. Puro 3's tooth and gum support is formulated with ozonated oils. It's been shown to reduce the bacteria that causes tooth decay and to even help with receding gums. And many dentists have told their patients that they've seen improvements in their oral health after using this oil in between checkups. There are many different ways you can use our tooth and gum support. You can use a pick or Q-tip to apply the product between the teeth or affected area. Another method is to coat your dental floss with the oil and floss between your teeth. You can even use a toothbrush or your fingertip and massage the oil into your gums. You can also apply the oil to a night guard or a mouthpiece to wear for an extended period of time. And if you're using the tube version of this oil, you can use the needlepoint tip to apply the oil directly to the affected area in the mouth. Now we know not everybody likes the same flavors for dental products, and that's why we carry 3 different options. We have peppermint, peppermint and stevia, and we have cherry with stevia, and if you require a little bit of sweetness, we recommend one of our stevia flavors. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, stay updated with our latest products and sales by following our social media accounts.